Hi, thanks for sending your question to Snapmath. So your word problem states that a recipe calls for 5 pounds of sugar for every 20 pounds of dried beans. How many pounds of sugar will be for 1 pound of dried beans? So this is a proportion question. And what I like to do is I'm going to put sugar over dried beans. All right. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my first fraction of the proportion. So I have two fractions. I'm going to set them equal to each other. The first one I'm going to do is the 5 pounds of sugar over the 20 pounds of dried beans, just because that's kind of a ratio that they give us. So we're going to use that. So it's 5 over 20. And then the second fraction is going to be these two. And that's going to be X, which we don't know the amount of sugar, and 1 pound of dried beans. So as you can see here, I did sugar on top of both fractions and dried beans on the bottom. So the next thing we do is we just cross multiply. So we're going to multiply 5 times 1, and we're going to multiply 20 times x. So that's going to give me 20x equals 5. And then what I do there is I divide by 20 on each side to isolate x. X will equal 5 over 20, and then we can reduce those both by 5, so it'll be 1/4. So we will need 1/4 pound of sugar for 1 pound of dried beans. All right, thanks for sending your question to StatMath. Have a great day.